Rachel Hunter is a New Zealand model, actress and the host of Imagination Television's Rachel Hunter's Tour of Beauty. She has appeared on several magazine covers, including Vogue, Elle, Rolling Stone, Sports Illustrated, Playboy, Cosmopolitan and Harper's Bazaar. She has been on the cover of the Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue twice, in 1994 and in 2006. Hunter was born in Glenfield, a suburb of Auckland, New Zealand. Her parents divorced when she was still a child. As a child she wanted to be a ballet dancer but was diagnosed with a rare blood disease which curtailed her dancing ambitions. Hunter began her career at age 16, modeling in France, Australia and New Zealand, appearing in Australian Vogue, Harper's Bazaar, Australian Cosmopolitan, and for various campaigns throughout New Zealand and Australia. She became the face of Tip Top ice cream in New Zealand and was the trumpet girl. She was quickly signed up to Ford Models and immediately embarked on a successful career, landing a CoverGirl cosmetics contract and becoming the spokesperson for the company for quite a few years. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.